Are you international students and you are finding it difficult to pay your service fee? Do you find yourself in Africa, Asia, any part of the globe you find yourself, and your dream is to study in the United States of America? But the problem is how you can pay your service fee. Now, in this video, I have this good news for you because I'm going to show you guys this website where you can be at the comfort of your country, no matter where you find yourself, and you can pay your service fee without struggle. We all know that previously, before you can pay your service fee, you need to get someone who is already in the United States. You send your money to him or her for the person to pay your service fee for you. But through this website, which I have tested and it worked perfectly, you can be at the comfort of your country, at the comfort of your home. You will just pay your service fee without struggle. This is going to reduce the struggle that we go through paying our service fee to study in the United States of America. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be taking you through this website and I'll show you guys how you go about it. But if today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Pathway to Abroad. On this channel, we do videos on how you can move to your dream country through job, school, conferences, or invite. We guide you on the legal ways that you can use to travel to your dream country in 2026. So make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and that you share this video to anyone who might need it. So without wasting much of your time, this is the website that I am talking about. Now the name of the website is Service Pay. Service Pay, which I will leave the link in this video description. So you can just tap on the link and they take you to the website and you can pay for your service fee without struggle. So the moment you get there, you see pay your service fee. They have other opportunities or other services that you can choose from, but the focus is service fee. We want to pay our service fee, so we will tap on the service fee and this is where it is going to take us to. We have the F1 slash M1 fee, which is standard payment 398. This is how much you are going to pay for them to process your service fee for you, and it's going to take you 1 to 4 for 1 to 4 processing days. Okay, 1 to 4 days and your service fee, you get your receipt to prove that you have paid. And then another one, which is the same express payment within 48 hours. Now this is for the express within 48 hours. Yes, everything will be okay for you. That's 409. Okay, and then express payment to fast track processing, which is 48 hours, which is 270. So this is how is it. You need to go to this platform, just go through, read their terms and conditions, and then pay your service fee there. It is easy. You don't need to find someone in the United States before you can pay your service fee. So make sure you go to this website, go there, read. You can even contact them to have a chat with them through their online support services. I'll leave it in this video description. Make sure you use it to pay your service fee. Easy. Thank you for watching the video up to this point and see you. Bye bye.